Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. In this video, we have another AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of exponential function. Let's solve it together. The exponential function f of x equals a times b to the power of x, where a and b are positive constants, is defined. The table shows values of f of x as selected values of x. Which of the following statements is true? X is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so x values are increasing. The y values are 2, 4, 6, 8, 16, 32. These are also increasing. They are both increasing. This must be a growth function then. So b and c will be eliminated in this case. But at this point you can guess the answer actually. By looking at the data you can say that. But I'd like to show you the algebraic solution. So f0, a times b to the power of 0 is 2. So that means a times b is 2. So a is 2. So f1, the second data. So a times b to the power of 1 is 4. A is 2. b to the power of 1 is b. 2b is 4. If 2b is 4, when we divide both sides by 2, we will get that 4 over 2, which is 2 as well. So b is greater than 1, a is already greater than 0 in both choices. So the correct answer is choice A for this specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you. See you next time. Bye-bye.